Hello and welcome once again to MG Tracy. We're coming towards the end of our first of our West Coast tours of America, and we're in somewhere called Pleasanton now, and this is the Hyatt house, and this is convenient for where we want to go now, what's left for us to do in San Jose, and then to fly back from San Francisco. So let me show you the room here. So this is a sort of 2-bedroom apartment, which is nice because you get 3 giant tellies, and you can never have enough tellies. The air conditioning's really good in here. It's already the right temperature, and here's no noise. Scattered with all the new lights and things are dozens of charge points for our ever-increasing number of USB powered. This will become the YouTube desk for a little while. This is toilet and shower number 1. I do like that. Bath well, rinse well, suds well. Well, that's excellent. And this has got a walk-in wardrobe, as well as an ironing board and an iron. Book this through hotels.com, as we usually do, as every 10 nights you spend, you get one free. Oh, I've not been paid or incentivised by the way. These are all videos of just not incentivised. So you've got a lovely sofa there, little eating area, and this is your mini kitchen. It's the same layout as these. You've got a cooker, fridge, freezer, a dishwasher. Those of you who watch my videos never quite understand. I never quite understand why you would have a dishwasher when you don't ever really need it, and a washing machine that you definitely do need, that you never get in these things, whether they're too noisy, I don't know. And there we are, we've got a nice coffee machine with some startup coffees. So we'll now go into the second bedroom. This also another large room, another telly, a phone, lots and lots of storage. Love the artwork. Carpet's all clean. So this one's got a mirrored wardrobe, and then you've got the same setup with a shower, and you've got a hairdryer and that underneath in there. Yeah, so this is the 2-bedroom. It comes with, well, they say a continental breakfast, but it's a bit better than that. I'll put some video of that when we have that tomorrow. You've got a really good pool and hot tub here as well, which attracted to me. Free parking, free Wi-Fi, free breakfast. You won't get that if you get close to San Francisco. You'll pay a fortune for parking your car. You won't get a free breakfast, and you'll have resort fees charged extra to cover your Wi-Fi. Right, so I'll run on to show you around this hotel. So you're in quite a quiet part of town, tons of car parking, so that isn't going to be a problem for you. There's a full bar here with draft beers and things, and you've even got barbecues and things in this undercovered area. As with a lot of Hyatts, you've got this multi-use basketball court. Now, this is okay. The problem we've had with some of the Hyatts is that these are supposed to shut at 10. If you're jet lagged and trying to get a bit of early shut-eye, sometimes having a dozen kids screaming and shouting here at 11 o'clock at night is a pain in the bum. And it's right in the centre of all the buildings. We're now getting the last knockings of the sun, but the pool is heated. It is fantastic. I don't know if you can make it over there. Is the jacuzzi, which is the right temperature, working, clean, the right size bubbles, so well done, Hyatt. The towels are here in the cupboard, and so is the recycling of them. This is much better than what many hotels have, where they want you to sign for them, or they want you to go to reception in your bits to get your towels. So just having them by the pool is the best way.